baby. I know that you've been hurt before when you were just 19, and you didn't feel say this my love go be that kind thing. So let me hurt.
Yes, honey. Yes, honey. Yes. Surfing phase. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god guys, it's been such a long time since I've been on here. Oh my god, I've been like super busy. I'm so sorry. For this year my goal is to be more consistent. I pray to God I could do that. I really pray, because I really miss you guys. I miss making videos, stuff like that. And today I'm just gonna do a little chit chat with you guys so you can get to know me better. I'm KANE LATOREE, and thank you guys so much for all the support that you've been showing me so far, even though I haven't been consistent. Reason being, you know, I work a lot. Also, I'm working on my business. You know, I'm running my online store LATOREE, which coming out with some more stuff next month, so look out for that. Stay tuned. You know, currently now I just did this look. No, I did not record this look. I did though on Facebook Live. So if you're interested how to get this beat down, it's on my Facebook, and my name is KANE LATOREE. I leave the name down below so you could actually see it. So far, why do I keep saying though? So far, so this look was really, I really made this look for all those who watch me on YouTube, and you guys don't have any clue how to apply your makeup. So this is the look I did for you guys, and it's very detailed. It's an hour long or a little bit longer, I don't know, but check it out on Facebook. So I did from the brows, the whole face, so everything was done on Facebook Live. So if you're interested, just head on over to my Facebook. I'll link it in the description box below as well, so you can go check it out, so you can learn how to beat your face like this. So it's a new year. I'm just gonna jump right into the video because I don't want to bore you guys, you know, and getting to know me, KANE LATOREE. Alright, KANE LATOREE is just a regular girl. I'm not a makeup guru. I just like makeup, you know. On a regular basis, you won't find me wear makeup every day, but I like to beat my face, okay? Like, if I really need to beat my face, I need to beat the face to be like really extra and stuff like that. So that's pretty much me. I have split personalities, not a crazy one, like, you know, depends on where I'm at, who you are, then my personality varies, you know. Some people I'm really cool with, some people think I'm quiet, some people think I'm stuck up, you know, it depends. Some people think I'm really hilarious, which I'm really dumb sometimes. But, you know, it depends on who you are, then, you know, then that dictates who you get. It's either you're gonna get really quiet, really conservative, or really stupid. Depends on who you are. I started this channel just because, you know, I feel like, you know, like when I'm like really old, like, you know, when I'm 82, which I'll be in December, I want to look back and be like, oh my god, that's me. I was just young and I was cute and popping. So it's like a time log for me. Even though I'm doing makeup or I might do vlogs here and there, it's really like a time log for me, you know. When my kids, my grandkids kind of like, oh my god, my grandma was like really popping. Like, that's a forever time log, because YouTube is gonna forever exist, I'm hoping. Okay, so this is my time log. And as I age and as I get older and I'm doing stuff that I really like, you know, so I mean, I don't remember everything that I do on a daily basis or yearly. I don't know about you guys, I have a really bad memory. So this is like my time log. So when I have like really good times, I like to record, be like, oh yeah, this is what was popping in 2-3 years ago. So that's pretty much, you know, what my YouTube is about. And I hope while I'm going on this journey, you know, people enjoy the entertainment or whatever I experience. You know, you could be inspired or whatever you might like, you know what I mean. That's pretty much it. Um, you know, I'm located in the US currently, in my 20s. That's all I could say. I like to cook. I don't know if you guys would like to see a tutorial of me cooking. I really, my friends live for my cooking, okay? That much I could speak for. If you've met me, whether it be while I was interning or wherever you met me, you would have known, like, your girl liked to throw down, okay? Okay. So like I said, this channel is like my memoir. I don't have a lot of subscribers, which is fine. I don't get a lot of views, which is fine, because like I said, when your girl is like AC, which will be in December, I could be like, oh yeah, I was that young. Oh wow, I remember that day. You know what I mean? My grandkids and my kids are gonna be like, oh, mom was popping. You know what I mean? She was cute or whatever. Just saying. Ooh, you see the highlight though? One thing though, I'm a very positive person. I'm a big and firm believer in, your circle. Push your friends. It's one thing if they don't want to grow, that's okay, but always see the good in them. Encourage them. I'm very big on encouraging people, pushing people, because there's so much of us that have been through so many things that sometimes we forget, like, we struggle too, and we forget to be kind to others. So I'm not perfect, trust me. One day I'll tell you my story. One day I hope to share my story to inspire others, because I've been through it. We all been through something. This is just life. We've been through something. And I like to think that all of us can live a wonderful life. It's just the choices that we make as human beings that dictates how our day goes, where we go, how we live. There's space for everybody, otherwise we wouldn't have been here. So it all comes down to choices. Be confident in yourself, believe in yourself, even if you don't have nobody supporting you. Believe in yourself, because at the end of the day, when you believe in yourself so much, guess what? It's going to rub off on other people, and even your enemies will support you in whatever you're doing. So believe in yourself. I guess upon go person, I don't need approval from my friend, families to be like, oh yeah, I'm going to support you. Half of the time when you're doing stuff, it's going to be strangers that won't relate to you, period. Strangers, not your friends, not your families, strangers. So keep on doing what you're doing, believe in yourself. Don't settle for less than what you deserve. You deserve nothing but the best. And even if you have made 1,000,001 mistakes, it's okay. It's okay. We're humans. As long as we learn and try to do better. And don't punish yourself for the things that you did while you were young. A lot of us make that mistake in punishing ourselves, whether it be friendship, relationship, or whatever. If you've done something and you're all grown up now and you realize, hey, I was wrong for what I was doing, it's okay. Acknowledge that you were wrong, apologize, but don't allow that person to disrespect you or make you feel inferior to them based on how they treat you, because that does happen, especially when it comes on to old relationship, and that person like really cared for you, whether it be a friend, boyfriend, whatever, really cared for you, and at the time you were really, really nasty towards them. It's okay. At the time you did the best with the knowledge that you had. Now you have more knowledge and you know to do better. So if this person is still better and want to disrespect you, be like, you know what, I'm gonna be, you could say hi, whatever, but it's not up to you to be like, okay, I'm gonna allow this person to disrespect me or mistreat me just because I feel like I deserve it because I did something bad in the past. No, it doesn't work like that, okay? It does not work like that. All of us are grown and life teaches us lessons so we could do better. So it's not for you to allow yourself to be beaten up purposely so that other person could feel better. We're all grown. We all make decisions. The difference when you're a child, when you're a teenager, when you're adults, you're supposed to know better. So do better, okay? Don't punish yourself. If you're sorry, That's it. You don't need to pay for your, you know, your sins or whatever you did wrong. You don't need to pay for it a million times. Human beings are the only people that punish ourselves over and over for the same thing because we feel so guilty. It shouldn't be that way. You're sorry, you're genuinely sorry. You never do that again. You move on and you do better, period. Don't punish yourself for no guy, no girl, no one at all. You'll be miserable and you regret this, you know, later on down the line, period. You know, be confident in yourself. Confidence speak. The more you're confident in yourself, the more you'll be able to convince people like, hey, I should follow this girl. I want to be as confident as her. Or I should follow this guy. I want to be as confident as him. Confidence is key. Even if you don't got it, you know what they say? Fake it until you make it. Period. Fake it until you actually make it, okay? Be confident. Like I said, this is just me on my channel. You might see me cooking. Makeup, of course, is we gotta slay, honey. We gotta slay. Look out for my brand. I'm an upcoming entrepreneur. Speak it into existence. You know, I might not be getting the support that I want now, but I know in the future I'll be lit, okay? Your girl be lit. Again, my name is KANE LATOREE. All my socials are KANE LATOREE, and that's KANE space LATORRE. So on IG, I'm KANE LATOREE. On Facebook, I'm KANE LATOREE. On Twitter, I'm KANE LATOREE. On YouTube, I'm KANE LATOREE. That's my name, okay? That's my name. My nationality, I'm Jamaican. Jamaican, period. I was born and raised there. Nothing about me is fake Jamaican. I don't have an accent. Like me say, I'm come from Nangayad, and that's pretty much it. I mean, if you hear an accent, yeah, I don't know. You know what I mean? But I'm as Jamaican as it gets. And your girl is just here on her channel. Ooh, oh my god. This natural beat though, what you guys think? I was trying to get my baby hairs laid, but I'll get to that. So, you know, thank you guys so much. So much for the support over the last year. Like I said, I haven't been consistent, but you know, pray for your girl. Pray for your girl. She's working on it. She is working on this, okay? And you know, stay tuned for more videos. If you have any ideas like what kind of videos you want to see on my channel, let's your girl know. You know, summer is coming. Summer is coming though, huh? Yeah, summer is coming. What we gonna do though? What we gonna do? What we gonna do? Oh my god, this highlight. You see that? The highlight though. The highlight. The highlight. Ooh, I love my wine. Kids, if you're underage, you should not be drinking. Drink responsibly, okay? I'm at home chilling. That's why I'm drinking. Not out drinking, but that's so much. Thank you so much again. I know I said this like 10 million times, but I really do appreciate you guys watching my videos. You know, even if I just have one view, I appreciate you because you took time out of your day to look at my video, okay? So I appreciate you guys so much for that. And you know, I'll see you in the next video, okay? But you know, I have to play a song to like, you know, feel myself about it. I'm gonna song. This is my favorite song right now.
Yeah, Juju baby. I know that you've been hurt before when you were just 19, and you didn't feel say this my love go be that kind thing. So let me holla, baby. I no bring no drama, baby. No I holla, baby. You just want love, baby. So baby, give me love, give me love.